How much someone can love another is proven by this. Someone didn't let his dead wife's bloodstains be wiped from the floor for 26 years. His name is Satoru Takaba. He lives in Japan. The matter is from 1999. A modest apartment in Japan's Nagoya City. This gentleman reaches home and sees his wife's body was lying on the floor, blood everywhere, and standing in the middle was his 2-year-old innocent son, whom the killer didn't even touch. The police investigated, but no clue was found. There were some drops of the killer's blood on the floor, which had mixed with his wife's blood. But at that time, there was no such technology that could identify the killer from that mixed DNA. The police gave up and suppressed the case file. But Takaba, brother, that guy was stubborn. He never vacated that death room. He started living somewhere else, but he kept paying the rent of that old house for 26 years. That guy blew 22 million yen in rent so that those bloodstains and clues could not be erased. He was sure that one day such technology would come which would get him justice. At that time, there was a law in Japan that if no evidence was found for 15 years, the case would be closed. But because of Takaba's struggle, a change comes in Japan's law in 2010 that now a murder case will never be closed. And 26 years later, in October 2025, when new DNA technology came, the police tested that old dried blood. And the result was very shocking. The killer was not an outsider, but his neighbor Kumiko Yasufuku, who was an old school friend of Takaba. In 10th class, Takaba had rejected her proposal. Due to that same rejection, that woman carried out this incident. For more such untold stories, like